Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be on a Vatika product, and in today's video you're going to see me apply the mask as well as the results. But before we get into this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and also follow me on social media. So I applied the Deep Conditioning Masque. It's Bentonite Clay and it promises to restore and nourish dry and damaged hair, and this is from the Vatika Afro Naturals. So when you open this up, the first thing that you get is the smell, and it smells really nice. It has this really nice bubblegum type of smell. That would be the best way to describe it. The color is a bit of a light gray kind of color, like Bentonite Clay, and as I said, it smells really nice. In terms of texture, it's a bit pasty and very thick in terms of the consistency. So when you apply it, it literally sits on top of your hair. It doesn't really melt in. Application was okay. It wasn't the best application. I applied it in larger sections and I did kind of rake it through my hair. It does promote detangling, but not so much. But as I said, the best part of the application is the smell. I applied it all over my hair and I let it sit on my hair for at least 30 minutes. This mask contains no sulfates as well as no mineral oil, and it also tells us at the back that the Clay Deep Conditioning Mask uses bentonite clay to restore and nourish dry, damaged hair, and it says use this deep conditioner every wash day or at least once a week. And it also has the directions at the back. When it comes to ingredients, the first ingredient is water and then it's bentonite as well. When it came to the results, honestly, it rinsed off okay. It didn't give me the most nourishing deep conditioning results. For me, it was just okay. It wasn't the best. My hair wasn't very soft, but it did do an okay job. For me, this was just very average. I did find that my hair did have a really nice shine to it, but in terms of softness, it wasn't as soft as I personally would have liked. That's it guys, this was my video on the Vatika Afro Naturals mask. I hope that you enjoyed it. For me, it was just okay. It wasn't the best mask that I've ever used. Again, I hope you enjoyed the application as well as the results, and I will see you again in another video. Take care.